It's always good to party. But that's lame. Battery dead? Well, what if we tell you there is a mini wearable camera that sustains 5 hours FHD recording, 24 hours time-lapse recording, and standby for over 120 hours? Let's meet Caply, the revolutionary mini wearable camera. Keeps up with all your active lifestyles. Caply is on the go for every part of your life. It's easy to attach it to any surface and object. To make sure your hot blood and sweat will be remembered and your exciting moments are captured. When you are right at the peak moment and the camera is far from your reach, well, all you need is voice command.
Caply, take a photo!
If you had one shot to seize everything you wanted in just one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? And Caply is right for you. Just swipe it and you're all set. Missing out? Unaccepted. When it's done, simply preview, edit, and share it to your social networks with Caply's app. Continuously surprise your friends with spectacles of your life's journey. And joys appear in your front. With Caply, you will no longer break a sweat, or, break a phone. And Caply is always ready to capture every one of your extraordinary moments. If you are a life logger that won't settle for anything but the best, Caply is always an ideal solution. Caply, go further, get funner.
There are moments you want to cherish from your unique point of view. Moments you can't recreate. When you want to experience and capture the moment at the same time. When you need to unleash your camera and let it fly. Introducing Selfly, a smart autonomous flying camera that doubles as a 9mm thin phone case. It is with you at all times, ready to capture and share the perfect shot you could only dream of. Selfly takes off and hovers autonomously, operated in real time through your phone to catch the perfect shot you want. Selfly flies by itself like an invisible tripod, easily controlled by adjusting the frame with simple hand gestures. Selfly is a smart flying camera. Anything your smartphone is able to detect or process could be sent to control Selfly and enable incredible features like face and smile recognition, sweep panoramic, or even follow your movements. And of course, you can share them instantly on all your social platforms. Selfly folds to a 9mm slim design thanks to the unique motor folding mechanism, so it can easily fit comfortably in your pocket. Selfly is your point of view from a new, exciting angle. Be the first to get Selfly by supporting us on Kickstarter.
Be there without being there. Introducing Sphericam 2, the only 360-degree video camera that captures everything around you for a lifelike playback. With 6 lenses inside a stunningly small design, Sphericam 2 delivers uncompromising 4K spherical videos. Put it on a stick, on its extended arms, or just hold it in the palm of your hand to enjoy automatically stitched videos on your VR headset, smartphone, or tablet.